Y'all, guess what? Guess what, bitches? Guess what, bitches? We fucking did it, bitch. We did it. Now all I have to do is inflate it. I'll use these just like the Park 2 guy said. His name is Calvin Jones. Their YouTube channel is Park 2. PARKTOOL. Two separate words. He said only use these at the very end. And that's what I did. I made a quick video of me pushing this in when it was, guys, I'm so fucking excited. I'm so shaky and shit right now. I did this shit by myself. To some of y'all professional motherfuckers out there that been riding a bike when your ancestors were still Neanderthals, it might not seem like much. But you know what? Shout out to y'all motherfuckers. Y'all the cloud cousins. But this shit is exciting for me, bitch. I did it. I did it by myself. So if I can do it by myself, y'all can do it by y'allself. If you need help, get help. I went on to Park 2 on their YouTube channel. That's where I found out how to do it. He was right. Inflate the inner tube. I'm going to do another tutorial, but the storage on my phone is low. So let me erase some stuff, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to do a video of me from start to finish inflating it. But if you want to, not inflating it, installing it on the rim, y'all, I'm so fucking excited. If I wouldn't get banned by YouTube, I'd twerk my ass cheeks all up in the camera because that's how excited I am. But we did it, bitch. I'm just going to touch up the paint a little bit. I have some small brushes, but I'll probably do that on the road. I done took the tire apart. I took Chica. I want to upcycle this wheel anyway. But I took this apart. I got all my tools out, y'all. I done got all my tools out and shit. I done took the shit apart. I was so angry. When I'm angry, this is what I do. I done took the shit apart, y'all. Look at Chica with no rear wheel because I got so mad because I'm like, what's wrong? I've been riding on 26 rims for 3 years. Why can't I figure this out? I needed to take my time and I needed to do exactly what the guy in the video said. I'm going to write down the instructions because I need the space on the phone and then I'm going to delete it. But basically what you do is you take the tube, the inner tube, you inflate it just enough, and keep it up against this part, not here. I was putting it close to the rim because I was getting nervous and I didn't want the valves to come through, but he was right. Keep it here. And then I just took these levers and every so often I would like just hold it there and just hold it like this and then use your thumb, and I would use my thumb and I would just do like this. Just use my thumb and do like that. And then finally, when I got to the end, I was like, if you need, you just, and maybe, and one time I took this one and I did like this when it was sticking out, when you saw me on the last video, and I did like that and it went over. I'll show you on the next video. I love y'all bitches. Stay cunty hunty. It's okay if you get angry. It's okay if you get excited. As long as you don't punch nobody and wind up in prison. I love y'all bitches. Bye.